सिडनी लेमोसाच्या फायनान्स कंपनीत काम करपी शिवोलचो रायन डिसोजा निर्दोष म्हूण ताचे घरचे सांगतात। ताचे बरोबर शिकपी इश्ट आनी थिवीचो आमदार निळखंड रायनाच्या घरच्यांक मेळ्ळो। रायन निर्दोष म्हूण ताचे बरोबरचे उलयतात। आता रायनाची केस खंय विदेश वेव्हार मंत्रालया कडेन व्हरपाचे यत्न चल्ल्यात।
He is not Lemos's business partner or a shareholder, or he is not an owner. He is just an employee. So actually the business is run by Sydney Lemos. So I feel that he should be responsible for what he has done. He should have kept a track of the money where he had invested. He played professional league for Kalangut, FC Sholem, आणि आमचे St. Anthony's Club मानना तो बरो player आलो. So there was this company called the Essential Group in Dubai. They were looking out for some players, football players, because they are holding a team in Dubai called FC Bardes. So Ryanak तेंच्यांनी select केलो आनी तेका जॉबाक घातलो थिंगा काम करपाक as an office administrator clerk. Okay, his last designation also is a clerk on his passport. 20 months he is worked as office administrator, and then 4 months he worked in accounts. So after 4 months the company seal kele because some they said it is like the clients and case gadlo company che because they were not getting the returns, whatever promised returns back. So from there they took him to the police station in Dubai, Al Barsha police station, and from there they kept him. They said it was for 5 days. Then मागीर एक म्हयनो दवरलो, मागीर एक वरस जालें. So then आमी तांकां विचारलें. They started saying that he has been kept for investigation only. Investigation जाल्या उपरांत तेंचे जजमेंट जालें एका वर्सान आनी ते म्हणूंक लागले रायन इज इनवॉल्वड इन दीस फ्रॉड विथ सिडनी लेमोस आनी तांकां सेंटेंस मारलें 5 वर्सां, 500 years.
The thing is, like, Ryan was not the main person like who used to handle accounts or used to handle Sydney's personal account, nothing like that. He was just an employee. If he was on the leave, there were people or there were employees who were handling the accounts. It's not like he was the main person as it is like shown on the media and all.
मेळोवन दिवपाक हे आमच्या गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटान फुडें सरपाक जाय आनी आमच्या सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर सुषमा स्वराज एका एक्सटर्नल मिनिस्टर आहा ती तेका एप्रोच जावन.
रायन म्हजो कॉलेजमेट आसलेलो आनी रायन आनी हांवें खूब वर्सां अशी वांगडा काडल्या. जसो की रायनाक हांव वळखतालो, ही वॉज मोर इंट्रस्टेड इन फुटबॉल. सो ताका फुटबॉल सोडून आनी खंयच्या गजालीन चड इंट्रस्ट नासलो. सो वेन एवर वी यूज्ड टू सीट टुगेदर इन कॉलेज ताजें एकूच मत आसलें की फुटबॉल. सो ही वॉन्टेड टू डू हीज करियर इन फुटबॉल आनी फुटबॉला खातीर खंय तरी तो फुडें सरलो आनी तांच्या मे बी कॉन्टेक्टान आयलो आसतलो आनी त्या कंपनीक एज एन एम्प्लॉई म्हणून तो काम करपाक गेलो. आनी जेन्ना तो एम्प्लॉई म्हणून काम करपाक वयता तेन्ना कोणाकूय जॉब गावलो काय एक उमेद दिसता की बाबा त्या कंपनीन वचून जॉब करपाचो. आनी ताजी जी विजा आसली ती एम्प्लॉई विजा आसली आनी थंयसर जेन्ना तो गेलो. सो नथींग हॅज टू डू विथ एन कंपनी पार्टनरशीप ऑर समथींग लायक दॅट. अशें म्हाजें मत आसा की रायनाचें खंय तरी एक बाजू गोवोरमेंटान आयकून घेवची.
एज पर इन्फॉर्मेशन तो सिडनी म्हणून जो आहा तो पयलीं FC गोवाचो पार्टनर आसलो आनी अकॉर्डिंगली रायन म्हणटा तो एक प्लेयर आसलो आनी तो पार्टनर आसल्या उपरांत तो ते फुटबॉलाच्या हितून एक सर्वीस करून आपूण खेळटलो म्हणून तेजे टिमीक जॉयन जालो. सो गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान इंडियन गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन उलोवन इंडियन गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन दुबय गव्हर्मेंटा कडसून मर्सी पिटिशन मारून जेन्ना ते सेंटेन्स आसल्या उपरांत कोर्ट आसल्या उपरांत the only solution is to mercy petition with that king or the president of that country ते सेटल करूंक जाय.
अमित शाह गोंयांत येवपाचो आसा. ताचे कडेन उलयता आनी विदेश वेव्हार मंत्रालया वरवीं गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक सोडोवपाचो यत्न करता म्हूण शिवोलचो मंत्री आमदार विनोद पालयेकारान प्रुडंटाक सांगलें.
एक आशा आसा की जर परराष्ट्र मंत्रालया तर्फे एक अपील केलें गेलें जाल्यार आनी माननीय श्रीमती सुषमा स्वराज जी एकदम दयाळू आसात. तेंच्यांनी हाजे पयलीं खूब अश्यो केसीस हँडल केल्ल्यो आसा. त्यामुळे एक आशा आसा की आमी अपील केल्या नंतर अमित शाह जेन्ना येतले तेन्ना आमी तांकां अपील करतले, तांकां सांगतले अशा अशा तरेची शिक्षा जाल्ली आसा आनी परराष्ट्र मंत्रालया तर्फे एक अपील करूंक लायतले.
सिडनी म्हणटा ताणें वर्साक 120% रिटर्न दिता म्हूण सांगून 500 वयर लोकांक तोपी घाली म्हूण आरोप. रायनाक तो फुटबॉलात करियर करता म्हूण सांगून थंय घेवन गेल्लो आनी आपल्या फायनान्स कंपनीत ताका कामाक लायलो. होच सिडनीत 2015त FC गोवाचो प्रायम स्पॉन्सरर आशिल्लो. ब्रँडिंग करून ताणें दुबय आनी म्हापशा FC बार्देज म्हूण टीमी काडल्यो.
We want to be a part of ISL it's just in its infant stages, and when we were given the opportunity, we didn't want to say no, and I didn't hesitate a bit to jump on it and to make sure that we are there to support football and to take it to a completely different level, not only in Goa but all India and probably globally as well.
सध्या गोंयांत आशिल्ली सिडनीची घरकान्न वेलनी लेमोसाक प्रुडंट मेळ्ळे. ती सिडनीक कसो आडकलो ते सांगता.
The real story is the opposite of what is coming on the papers. Okay, the real story is the problem started in 2015. Okay, and in 2015 in October, due to some reasons, our bank account shut. For 5 years we had the business. So 5 years we gave consistent profits, but in 2015 in October the bank account, when it shut due to some issues with the bank, not with us. And then what happened was after that our trades went dropped down. You know, we could not deliver to the clients' needs. So what happened was one of our employees, he wanted to do the same business, probably, or what, I'm not sure. So he started instigating clients because business stopped because there were no consistent profits. So business stopped. So his commission stopped, basically. So he started instigating clients, which we didn't know at the beginning, to, like he said, I will release your closure or your withdrawals, but I will try, you have to pay me something or whatever. That I got to know later. So after that, what happened was slowly he started speaking to all the clients, which we didn't know. But one fine day I caught him. Okay, my husband also got to know, and we asked him to leave. Okay, so he was, I think, very angry and all that. So he really wanted to pull us down, and he wanted to open the same business. So what he did was he, along with some lawyers, okay, caught hold of the newspapers. Okay, wrote wrong stories about us, started portraying our genuine problem of the business as fraud. Okay, so what happened was, so the problem started then later on, after some time, of course the clients all panicked because after so long the payments were delaying, but Sydney was always trying to solve the problem. He never ran away from the problem. The employee, okay, he caught hold of one client, and he put a charge of fraud on my husband. Okay, and a criminal case, basically, because obviously if you don't pay the money on time, it becomes a criminal case. So he just used one client, and he got my husband arrested in 2016 on 15th. So, but the thing is that we are also humans. We need justice, you know. It does not mean we are also Goans, we are also Indians. And if two Indians are stuck, okay, over there, even a murderer does not get 513 years. It's like a death sentence. It's like Sydney's and Ryan's death. It is not just. It is not just. One boy is Sydney saying he wants to help everyone, but what happened? Everything, whatever he had, like, you know, 1 year for lawyers, everything, all the money is like wasted. But if he had no intentions of helping, okay, why would he fight for 1 year? Okay, to come out. Before that, before getting arrested, 1 year he stayed in Dubai with the problem. He could have ran away that time.
फुटबॉलात करियर करपाक गेल्लो थंय कंपनीचे काम करचे पडले. रायन दोशी आसचो ना म्हूण ताका वळखपी लोक म्हणटात. आतां विदेश वेव्हार मंत्रालय हो विशय हातात घेता काय कितें, आनी घेतल्यारूय तो कसो कितें हाताळटा ताचेर दोगांचो फुडार. फेसबुकाचेरूय रायना खातीर लोकांची मोहीम सुरू जाल्या. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.